The two sliding parts of the gate aren't attached to each other, and so they keep falling off. Because of the way the hinges are, I have to open the gate to take the entire gate off. I take apart the wooden intersection so that I can work on each gate individually. Then I undo the plastic piece that holds the two gate parts together. Now that I have more movement, I can put the wooden pegs together. Now that all the loose pegs are in place, I can fix the two gate parts together. And at the top, I can put any other loose pegs. And make sure the pegs are secure all the way down. And then I put the last peg at the top to the top of the second part of the gate. Looking at it, I can see there are no longer any loose pegs, and I can put the gate back onto the hinge. With the gate open, I put in both hinge bolts in at the same time. And then I check, make sure everything's tightened. And the gate parts are now fixed together again.